You have been working hard for your community.
Yeah.
You are a genuinely committed person to your noble cause.
Yeah.
And you are among those for whom Lateef Sain has said, Aya unana visaha, hanju mujhe hari, aanu aab akin mein dekh dikhari, sajan di sari, se naki roon naki choon. Mother, I don't believe in those who shed tears, who show to people how their eyes water. Those who really think of their beloved do not be and do not say anything. Friends, Lateef Sain, Shah Lateef Sain, unlike other poets and scholars, was never among the good books of the rulers and ruling cliques. He never praised ruling classes, rulers, ruling cliques, dukes, princes, kings. He was an advocate of masses, advocate of downtrodden people. He was advocate of the cause of minorities, cause of women, and cause of peasants. Lateef Sain was in true sense the founder of globalization. Globalization, not as a term, not as a jargon or slogan which is being used to manipulate or to oppress people, but globalization in true sense. Globalization which represents equality, which represents justice, equity. Globalization which represents the due share to masses. And Lateef was symbol and was beacon of hope for the people of those times and of today. He initially introduced the concept of globalization in South Asia. How? Moti Majananje, I am quoting Lateef Sain, in my language, my mother tongue. Moti Majananje are full of clouds. Some of those clouds have left for Istanbul, for West, for Kabul, for Kandahar, for China, for Samarkand. Look at the depth of this great poet in those areas when there was no Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and social media and communication world. So some of those clouds are going to Delhi, Deccan, Gorda, Gulbi, Bekani. Oh my Lord, globalization. Oh my Lord, keep Sindh prosperous for all times to come and bless the entire world with prosperity and happiness. Entire world. Bless the entire world. Not just Sindh, not just United India at that time, not just Pakistan, not just South Asia and Asia. He was not talking about his birthplace, Bhiksha, his district and surrounding areas, Hala and Hyderabad. My Lord bless the entire world, entire, with prosperity. And he was not a religious scholar or a worship or pir or a mullah. So he was not talking about faith. And he was not talking about religion. He was requesting, he was praying that God should give them prosperity and happiness. That is part of the fundamental rights. Happiness. Fourth generation fundamental right. Pursuit of happiness. Life, liberty, then pursuit of happiness. So Lateef Sain was talking about pursuit of happiness in those days. global community. And that was the reason. But now, when we have entered into new millennium, you people, privileged ones, new millennium. The challenges are indeed daunting and prospects both magnificent and hard. The new technology has opened an era of cosmic communication, solar energy, cloning, new horizons beyond the dreams of science fiction and imagining. But there's a darker side. It brings pollution, hunger, poverty, and nuclear threats. I don't want to make the mood somber here because this is the commencement of Shalakith Cultural Institute. But I think it's important that we should begin where the civilization itself began, the Indus civilization, as mentioned by some of our speakers, Indus civilization. People from all over the world have come and invaded us, from Alexandria onwards. Yet we Sindhis, we Pakistanis, never disrespected the freedom of others. We never disrespected the freedom of others. We are not invaders. We are not aggressors. Yes, we have been aggressed upon. But this freedom that we must protect, must nurture, must build up. And for achieving that noble objective, we are ready to face challenges. Though, right now, we South Asians, live in one of the worst governed regions of the world. South Asia, entire South Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. 1/2 of our women and 1/3 of our men live below the poverty line. Below the poverty line. Intolerance is a rise. You can see what is happening in JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University. You can see what is happening in Jamia Millia and Kashmir. Intolerance, sectarianism, violence, communal violence, honor killings, child labor, all are upheld in the name of sectarianism, in the name of sex, in the name of religion, in the name of traditions. Latif has encouraged us to fight against those challenges, to those threats. And come what may, there are multiple challenges. But if we follow the path of Shalati, we'll fight against those. We'll resist those challenges, those threats. Latif Sahib said about one of his most favorite characters, Sasui. Most of the friends have already heard those stanzas. Uttraveri, Otharvi, Veri Kedam De, Chothon Veri, Vautu, Jen Laja, Punu Ve, Panjo Veri, Siddhitu, Jebulhe Ki Ave, Chamo Veri, Chaparthu, Jesama Kayan Se, Satum Veri, Chanduthu, जो खिड़ो न बनिए वे वाहे थी वेर छुलूं गया छपर. Everyone is against me. Camels who took Punu, camel riders, in-laws as usual, in-laws, and wind, mountain, sun and moon, all against me. But come what may, I will not go down. I will keep climbing the mountain. And in those dark hours, when even when even birds are returning to their nests, I will keep climbing. That is the truth. That is the commitment. That is the firmness. That is the consistency of Shalakith Sangh. Remain committed to your original cause. Come what may, remain committed and remain loyal and remain dedicated to your basic concepts and basic ideologies and goals and objectives. That is the reason. And don't detach yourself from the main journey, from the basic cause and basic objective. He suggests to Sasui,
छिजमकता साथ चढ़ो लकी मच्छर थी कुआं वग वाटे नलही. Don't detach yourself from the group of your companions when they are passing through mazy heights. If you detach yourself, you will be left behind and you will leave the path. You will not be able to follow the path. So, Latif Sain has always been suggesting us to continue, but we are challenges. One of the tragic words of this world, of all dictionaries, if our congressman was saying if Latif was not, Latif's poetry couldn't survive, then how would we have celebrated this day? So if Gandhi would not have been assassinated, if Muhammad ibn Jinnah would not have been forced to die, would not have been left alone while he was very sick, if there would have been no Hitler, there would have been no Anne Frank. If there would have been no Milosevic, if Bhutto was not killed, if Lincoln was not assassinated, if JFK was not assassinated, if Lincoln was there, then Walt Whitman would not have wrote these great lines that, "Oh Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every day. The prize we sought is won. The port is bare, the bales are here. Bales are here, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh hard, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, whereon the dead my captain lies, fallen cold and dead." Those captains, if it did not have left us the history and fate of South Asia of them in a different course, different path. But whom should we blame? I think the crisis, the threats which are in front of us today are because of that RSS mentality, extremism from other part of the border, and Ziaul Haq mindset from this side of the border. 11 years of Zia's regime, when our children were led into abandoning books and taken up Kalashnikovs and drugs. In those days, dear friends from local politics and from American houses, in those days, Pan-Islamism served your purpose. So Madrasa culture was introduced and Talibans were recruited. Our country was used. And those shoulders which were used to hit the Soviet aeroplanes with Stinger missiles, when there was no need of those missiles, they were left alone, unattended. And millions of Afghan refugees poured into our country, seeking help which we could ill afford. And the price was to be paid for this. Pakistan's economy, Pakistan's culture, Pakistan's tolerance, Pakistan's education, politics, our children, all have paid this price. We have suffered because we were used. We were used and now we are suffering. But coming back to Latif Sain, Latif Sain says that there are thousands of issues, thousands of problems, but keep struggling, keep walking, keep trying. Vajhai vatan ke aam ke moyas, the gor munji sumra kij pamaran pass. Did Nadane Deate, Mata, Valid and Boss, Moya and Gias, Divani Mudbali. O Sumra King, if I die here,
while remembering my relatives, please do send my corpse back to Mali, to my people, with the fragrance of the plants of Mali. I may resurrect. Send it back. This is the commitment. This is the commitment. Longfellow's commitment. Sassoon says, I will keep climbing the mountain. What Longfellow said, the heights by great men reached and kept were not attained in a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. So keep toiling upwards in the night. This is the message of Shalatif. This is the message, true message of Shalatif. Shalatif does not talk about preaching, and he rather says, Rosa Namazum, E Pradchanokam, Uko Yo Fam, Jasa Paste. Prayers and fastings are good deeds, but they will not lead you to your blood. It needs something else. And what is that something else? It is up to you. That has to be decided by you friends. So I would suggest that on this particular day of Latif Signing, organized by Shalatif Cultural Institute, let's decide that whether we are going to pass on this fragmented world to our children, where dreams turn into nightmares, or will we illuminate the darkness of hatred with beacon of hope? The choice is ours. And कभी देखे सभी दोस्त बैठा है, उन्होंने क्या बजाना चाहा तो लतीफ साईं के दर्शन का, ते जो को पैगाम है, तो कुछ को पाना पर भी तब कोई है, ये सब है, तो सब कुछ चीज़ तो पाना पर सब लोग ने कुछ को चीज़, सब खाएगा, टपड़ में आया, काशे का बच्ची, उन्होंने लतीफ साईं चाहिए now near the down. Kendala Uttar Madhopur Punun. He translated what the guy. He's Madhopur Madhopur. Then they get it. Now put Madhya the Matapunu with many other now near Amuchubada. Now Chasa Madala. Now when you Zanjiruns. Down you parents. Patari, Mada Zanjiru, Chuga, parent, chocolates. Paraki, Panchakade. So took that, Susigati, Paraki, Paraki, Mother, you are mentioned, but the late time of that, the Lola, which I Mark, the Italian. Mark, Italian, nothing very well, which I had a project from the mother, school, Koleo, when you come to Chicago, Mark, Italian, but you are the late. So, now near the Downing. 15 प्यास उठ बदो पटाड़ू बगल में लखें लोह लग्यास पर कोई जरे सजन यार प्यास छित छिना एक सजन यार उसको छठे उठ छिरकी हिकड़ो नो सब जंजीरो टुकड़ा टुकड़ा थी पट ते गिरी पयो ऐं उठाले वो सजन यार ऐं कुछ को थी तो असी अकेला आयो बहुत सारी नहीं चोदा यार कि बड़ी अकेला आयो थोड़ा आयो कोई नहीं है वो चढ़ी गया को चढ़ी गया एड़ा अकेला नहीं सोनी ने अकेला नहीं सोनी ने अकेला तो बने पे घड़ी गया कांधी कंगत्यास उड़े पे कांधी कोन दफन करने वाला माण्हू कोन ऐं सोनी रोनी पे वने आई लॻी साईं चए तो कांधी कंगत्यास वहण जनाब सुन जो को फैक्टरो है सो जनाब पे मानो है कांधी कंग त्यास वहण जनाब सोनी बखा जे बेटन जा कुल्हा तिन दिनास जने अखें मलक दिठास त मन काबू बिहार इन मलायकन के नहीं तने में बिहार ससुई सुधी गई मुनकर ऐं नकीर आया आहिनि ॿियो भेट थोरो हौसलो कयो ससी सुठी पई आहे तव्हां ॿुधायो सभु पाकिस्तान सब 22 करोड़ पाकिस्तानी हौसलो कयूं ज़ुल्म सां करप्शन सां तबाही बर्बादी सां लड़ाई कयूं ससी सुठी पई आहे सुमंदे मुनकर ऐं नकीर था अचनि हिसाब किताब करणु ईंदा अची इज़राइल सुते जागाई ससुई इज़राइल मारण अची इज़राइल सुते जागाई ससुई थी जोड़ाए दलील त पुनः माण्हू मोकिलियो इज़राइल कोने मथां पुनः माण्हू मोकिलियो मुनकर ऐं नकीर खे जॾहिं ॾिठाई अॻियां उथी तिन खां पुनः पुछाई उनका कौन पूछेगा नमाज पढ़ी इससे कबल के आपकी नमाज पढ़ी जाए जब वो जेको जो ईमान हो मुनकर ऐं नकीर के जॾहिं ॾिठाई अॻियां उथी तिन खां पुनः पुछाई अदा एताईं को वियो साथ सॼण मुनकर ऐं नकीर खां पुछे पई त पुनः जो काफ़िलो कोन लॻे इहा आहे ससी इहा आहे कमिटमेंट अलस्तु रब्बुकुम जॾहिं कनि पियो पुछो अल्लाह ताला ॿुधाए केरु आहे तुंहिंजो रब माण्हू खां अलस्तु रब्बुकुम जॾहिं कनि पियो सभिनी चयो तूं ई मुंहिंजो रब सभिनी खे दुधाड़ियो सभिनी चयो ऐ अल्लाह पाक मुंहिंजो रब तूं ई माण्हू खां पुछो तजुर्बो सभिनी खां पुछणो अलस्तु रब्बुकुम रब ॿुधाए केरु आहे तुंहिंजो रब अलस्तु रब्बुकुम जॾहिं कनि पियो कालू भला कलबसी तॾहिं तित चयो छा चयो तई देर कयो वचन वेड़ी उन टाइम ते कमिटमेंट कई पंहिंजे माण्हुनि पंहिंजे वतन so you are part and parcel of that journey that commitment that noble cause मुझे उम्मीद है I hope that the day will come when you will deliver you have been delivering to your families to your community your children your parents but the day will inshallah come when you will deliver. You all Sindhis and Pakistanis of Houston and Texas and United States would deliver the gift of peace, equality and development to your people back in Pakistan. Thank you very much.